How to save Snapchat videos to gallery. Open Snapchat on your phone. Record the video that you want. Here there is no direct option to download a video to your gallery. For this, first save the video into your Snapchat memories. Then go back and click on Gallery option at bottom left corner of the screen. This will open your Snap memories. Here, find the video you recently recorded. Click on it to open. At top of the screen you will see a 3 dots. Click on it. In the pop menu, find Export or Send Snap option. Click on it. Here you can see the Share Elsewhere section. There you can see different icons, if you move them. At last you will find Download option. Click on it to save the video into the gallery. Or if you go back, you can see the Send to option at bottom. Click on it. As same as previous, you can download the video to your gallery. To verify this, open a Photos app on the phone. There you will find your Snap videos, and that's it.